I'm lazy, y'all. I really am lazy.
You won't find nobody better than I. Who better than Kai? Rhetorical, don't need no reply. Nah. I'm sensual caramel with a touch of butter. Best of both worlds, sophisticated in them gutter.
Hi guys, it's Kyreeka. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please hit that subscribe button and tap that notification bell right next to it so you can get notified every time your girl uploads a new video, which is absolutely every week. That's every week you get to see me, and gonna give this video a thumbs up. You know it's gonna be lit because the only pop we keep it rocking. We ain't stopping, period. I'm finally back to recording videos because I've been discombobulated for 2 months. Girl, it's been rough, but it is because your girl just got a new spot. I just moved out of my apartment. I just purchased my first home. So, girl, that is why everything has just been all over the place for me. But anyways, in today's video, I want to talk about me and going back to using Do-Grow. So because I've been moving and all my stuff have been packed down, I literally have been out of my apartment going on 2 months, and I just moved into the house like a few weeks ago. Probably wasn't even a week, probably 2 weeks ago. So I've been without my hair care products for about 2 months, y'all, and I had to resort to using some Do-Grow, baby. So I wanted to just show y'all how good Do-Grow really is. I missed using Do-Grow. I didn't realize how much I missed using Do-Grow until I had to start using Do-Grow when I couldn't get to my other hair care products. So I haven't been using anything but Do-Grow. And I also y'all know I mixed my Canvas Beauty with some Rogaine, but I stopped actually purchasing the Rogaine because Rogaine is pricey. So I got this 3-month supply of a product that I used that I showed y'all in a video prior to this one, and I took some of that and I mixed it in with the Do-Grow, and girl, Do-Grow, for real, Do-Grow, and I love Do-Grow. I never realized how much I love Do-Grow until I started back using it, and literally from December up until now, because it's almost going on 2 months that I've been using Do-Grow, because I started using Do-Grow. I put the picture and the date to make sure I have it correct because it's almost February. January is almost out, and I started using Do-Grow around December 12th-ish, December 13th-ish, something like that, the 12th or the 13th, because that's when I didn't have access to any of my hair care products. And I'm gonna put a picture on the screen to show y'all how short my hair was when I first started using Do-Grow to now. And I was gonna get on here and just I was gonna do my wash day and do this video, but girl, I've been lazy and I haven't washed my hair. And I'm gonna be honest with y'all, I haven't washed my hair in about a good 2 months as well. And I know y'all probably ready, that's not, you know, that's really nothing, but y'all know me, I have 2 wash days because I have to use my medicated shampoo, and I also use the Canvas Beauty products to wash my hair. And I was so used to my routine that when I had to stop doing my routine, girl, I know my hair probably is filthy. So I gotta do my wash day, and I'm gonna get on camera and I'm probably gonna do a side by side or just break away so y'all can see the hair growth when I do wash my hair Saturday. This video will be posted on Saturday, but before I post it, I'll insert the clip so you guys can see my actual hair and how Do-Grow has really grown your girl hair from August up until now. It's been about 5 months since I did my big chop. And yeah, I was gonna come on here and talk about my big chop from me doing my second big chop, well, my third big chop. I was gonna get on here and talk about that, but I wanted to talk about the Do-Grow as well, because Do-Grow is a perfect option if you don't want to go out and spend so much amount of money on it. And Do-Grow only is $6.99, baby, girl, come on now. Like, you don't have to necessarily go out and spend so much amount of money on a hair growth oil when you have some in a beauty supply store that can be just as beneficial to you, and that is like a whole third of the price. The whole third of the price, like nowhere near the amount that you would pay for some of these, for some of the brands that I do reviews on my channel. Y'all know I love the Canvas Beauty brand. I love the Kaleidoscope Miracle Drops as well. So girl, Do Grow is top tier with them. So baby girl, Do Grow is really a good inexpensive product that works. And what I can say about the Do Grow, it doesn't have my hair itching. The only thing that I would say that I don't really like about the Do Grow is how greasy it is. Like, it runs down my face when I'm using it, and that's the only thing that like caused me to like not want to use it constantly, because of how it runs down my face when I'm using it. But hey, that's nothing too bad or too out of the ordinary. It's just get it and control it yourself, and then you'll be fine, guys. It's not like it's such a big deal. It's just that was the problem. And I love the smell of Do Grow. I love how Do Grow smells. I love that the bottle, I left my bottle in the bathroom because I'm really not done with it, and I'm lazy, y'all. I really am lazy. But yeah, Do Grow comes in a, I think it comes in like a four fluid ounce bottle. Okay, it comes in a 4.5 fluid ounce bottle, and that is this is actually the Do Grow that I use. And at Sally it's going for $6.29, but the one that I got is from my local beauty supply store. Well, it's at the beauty supply store that I go to while I'm at work, and it was $6.99 there. And another thing that I am going to be doing an update on is the Do Grow Mega Thick Hair Grease, or is it the Do Grow Mega Long Hair Grease? It's one of the two. I think it's the Mega Long. It's either the Mega Long or the Mega Thick. I'm going to do that as well. And I really don't like grease products, but when I tried that pomade from Creole Essence, and I love that pomade. Y'all know I raves about that pomade because that is some good pomade. That pomade literally grew that bald spot that I had in the back of my head. It grew that bald spot back lickety split. And another update that I want to tell y'all about is my PCOS. I have a lot of questions on that video. I didn't know so many women, you know, I didn't know I was gonna get feedback like I got on that video, but it was very beneficial. I'm so grateful for you guys. I love y'all. Just don't know how much I love y'all. When I tell y'all make my day. Me reading my comments make my day, because if I'm having a bad day, I get on my YouTube and see the comments. Like, you got a few comments that are a little negative that I don't even give an inch of an ounce of about, but for the majority, so much positivity and love, and it just overwhelms me with joy, because I love good energy, and I love to just embrace when people are just sending me all of this positivity, and you guys send me nothing but love and nothing but positivity. So when I saw on my PCOS video where women came and it was just wishing me well and wishing me you know, just wishing my health would get better on this PCOS journey, that made me happy. I want to do an update about that video. I want to tell y'all how I've been, how I changed my lifestyle and what I've been doing, and to let y'all know, since I started my PCOS journey, I am down 10 pounds. I'll tell y'all, like, if y'all want to know like the special diet that I'm on and what I cut out and what I've been doing, let me know in the comment section. I surely will tell y'all that, or I'll just wait until I do a PCOS update video, and yeah, and that'll be that. That's basically it. I want to also tell y'all that I know if y'all probably be thinking, Kai, you lied to us about this giveaway. I have not forgotten about my giveaway. I see that we are well over 5,000 subscribers, but like I told y'all, I've been moving, so I hit 5,000 subscribers during the midst of me moving and during the transition period of me trying to get everything together for the house so we could get in the house and all of that. So please bear with me, y'all. The next video, hopefully in the next video, that is when I'll be doing the giveaway, because I have to go gather all of the names that entered into the giveaway so I can get it all squared away and choose one. I am growing, and the more I grow and the more giveaways I do, I want to like do the name pulling generators so you guys can see it and witness it as I'm doing this. There are a lot of oils that you guys want me to try. Keep commenting oils that you want me to try. And listen, ladies, don't worry. I know y'all probably feel like how you putting too many products in your head. I do take breaks when I am using products, y'all. I try not to mix the two, especially like I did when I was using the Canvas Beauty and that shall not be named at one point. I'm not doing that anymore. So yeah, that's it. I love you guys, and I'll most definitely see you guys in my next video very soon, and hopefully we'll be doing a giveaway. So bye guys. Mwah.